The OneOdio Focus A6 isn't just another pair of wireless headphones. It's a complete audio sanctuary designed for the music lover on the go. Combining cutting-edge noise cancellation, premium high sound, and unmatched comfort, the Focus A6 delivers a listening experience that feels personal, powerful, and endlessly immersive. At the heart of the Focus A6 is its hybrid active noise cancellation system, capable of reducing ambient noise by an impressive 48 dB. Using a dual mic feed-forward and feedback setup, supported by 5 high-sensitivity microphones, it intelligently detects and cancels unwanted noise, even challenging sounds like wind. Whether in a bustling airport, a noisy cafe, or a busy commute, it's like pressing the mute button on the outside world. For added control, 5 smart noise modes let you tailor your environment. Block out distractions entirely, stay aware of your surroundings, or find the perfect middle ground for work, travel, or relaxation. Equipped with Bluetooth 6.0 and advanced ISO-L technology, the Focus A6 offers faster pairing, ultra-stable connections, and low latency for smooth audio during gaming, streaming, or video calls. Dual device pairing allows effortless switching between your laptop and phone, so you never miss a beat. With the OneOdio Smart app, you can customize your sound profile, adjust noise cancellation levels, and fine-tune audio preferences, putting complete control in your hands. The OneOdio Focus A6 over-ear hybrid ANC headphones stand out in a crowded market by combining deep, intelligent noise cancellation, exceptional high-res sound quality, and supreme comfort in a stylish, durable package. They're the perfect blend of performance, convenience, and design.